I'm Monique from Minneapolis. I'm a mom of 3 kids ages 14 and under. And when I need the clutter to disappear, we play a really fun game called 20 Things. Are you ready? Let's clean! It's easy. Each person picks up 20 things. They either donate it, file it, put it in its proper place, throw it away. When we're done, we've had some fun, it doesn't take long, and 80 things are put away. It's time for us to go have some fun because we got our 20 things done.
He collected tips from his own fans, and he's going to share his favorite fan tips.
There. Let's start with this one.
Very sweet.
Yeah, no, it's easy. So this is such a simple thing. This is from a fan in Australia, Natalie, and here's how it works. When you have a child, especially if you're going to have hand-me-downs when you have kids, with your first child, you put 1 dot on the label of their shirt.
Okay.
And then when you pass the shirt down, when it becomes a hand-me-down, you put a 2nd dot on it, and if you hand it down a 3rd time, you put 3 dots on it. Then what happens, just lift up here for a sec, Rach, what happens then with your laundry, with your kids, the oldest kid's shirt will always have 1 dot, the first hand-me-down for your second child will have 2, and the 3rd time it has 3. Getting kids dressed and making it as easy and efficient as possible can be made very simple by when you wash their clothes, instead of putting the shirts in one drawer and the pants in another, roll a complete outfit together like this and then place it in their drawer so that all of their outfits, look here, Rach, so all of the outfits, wait, hold that for 1 second.
What?
So that all of the outfits are in one drawer, and let's do the same with pajamas in the second drawer. And you can get the kids to put these away themselves. And the other thing I love about this is that you end up buying outfits for your kids instead of buying a whole lot of separates that don't match and have a ton of clothes that the kids don't wear.
This is a good one.
Tie rack, and just hang your jewelry
Good one,
on
Ontario.
these. And the reason I love this, it's an oldie but a goodie. It's so simple. 2 reasons I love it. 1, you can immediately see what you have and it keeps your necklaces and that in order.
Tangled.
And number 2, when it's full, before you can add a necklace, you get rid of a necklace so it keeps some kind of limit on the number of necklaces.
Stop buying your accessories if this sucker's full.
Super simple. Keep a bin somewhere in your house, on a bookshelf or under the bed. When she finishes reading 5 books, the bin has 5 books in it, she takes these to the library. The library can then decide whether to shelve them or to sell them and give money to the library.
That's awesome.
Simple. Declutter.
That's awesome.
Declutter for good. That's it.
I love that.
Yes, thank you.
No,
Thank you to all my...
I want more.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it, sorry.